TrowelPave Concrete is a Plasticomposite, cold mix repair product ideal for feather edge fixes like sidewalk trip hazards. Place cones or barricades before starting a repair. Clean the repair area with a wire brush. Sweep or blow off any loose dirt or dust. For increased adhesion, apply TrowelPave Top Coat Tack Coat to repair area. Focus on tack coating the edges. Apply a bucket grip before opening the bucket. Mixing instructions and safety card are in with the binder bottle, as well as protective gloves. Pour the liquid binding agent into a cone-shaped divot and begin mixing. Mix until consistent. Work the mixer at an angle to get at material in the corners of the bucket. Spread out the material to grade before troweling. With pressure, trowel from low elevation to high, then from high elevation to low. Use 45-degree angles on the corners to maximize strength. Straighten the edges. Use ample pressure as you roll over the edges. Lightly tamp the repair for compaction. Finish trowel to even out compaction marks. Surface should appear smooth and not granular. To clean your tools, use WD-40 and a rag. For additional strength and to prevent abrasion, apply a top coat once the patch has cured.